Okay, now we have just set up a new batch of add-on domains. We just put in gyroscopes, Celestron binoculars, discount binoculars, and of course we have our main add-on, which is going to be on there automatically. So from where we put on the add-on domains, we want to go to the left-hand corner, click Home, and now we're going to get a Fantastico Deluxe, and this is where we are going to install WordPress on those 5 domains that we just created in the add-on domain window. So we're going to scroll down until we get to Software and Services. Obviously WordPress is software, so come into Software and Services, and we want to use Fantastico Deluxe. So we open Fantastico Deluxe, and now WordPress is what we intend to use. So we click on WordPress, and computer's still running a little bit slow. And here you can see our other domains that are here that already have installations of WordPress on them. Okay, none of the ones we did, but they're going to in just a minute. And again, you will need your notepad with all the URLs where you intend to install. So we have that with us now, and let's go ahead and get a copy of this first one, Running Binoculars. Okay, so we're going to click New Installation. This is going really slow. I'm not really sure why, but make sure you have your pen and paper out and are creating a step-by-step, writing down your step-by-step methods that I'm giving you here in the videos. Okay, here we go. I really don't know what's going on. Okay, and we're back. It's just taking this thing a little while to go. So here we are. Install on domain, Brunton Binoculars. Well, that's what we wanted anyway. Install in directory. You're going to skip this. This is for, you're only going to use this in certain situations. In any of the retail sites that you're building, you're probably not going to use this at all. So we're going to skip on down to the next box, Administrative Access Data, and here's where you enter your username. And for this account, it's going to be Relapse, and the password for this account is going to be 70347. This is going to be saved for you on the next time. You only have to type it in once, and I'll show you what I mean when we come back to the second one. But all you're going to have to do on the next 4 go-arounds is just come click in this box, and that's going to pop up for you. Okay, your admin nickname is Relapse. Okay, and your admin email address, I'm going to put in my email address, because I want all of the stuff to come to the same box. And here's Brunton Binoculars. And if this was another, well, we've already copied it, and now we can just paste it in here too. So there you go. And then you click the button Install WordPress. And I'm going to pause while this thing's working. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys are not going to have near this much trouble. I think this is just isolated to my computer. Okay, now our page has popped up, and so we're going to read the instructions. MySQL database and my SQL user, which is the account name, will be created and used for this installation. You choose to install in the main directory of the domain. Yes, we do. That's why we skipped that first box. and the access URL will be bruntonbinoculars.info, and click Finish to install, and there we are. Now you can see it's put all of our information here for us, and now what we have to do is bookmark this link. This link is going to take us to our admin section for this particular site. Okay, I want to put these in a new folder that's going to be called Roger and James Site Admin. Let's get this correct here. Site Admin. Okay, save. And there we go. Then click back to WordPress overview. Here we go. We want to do a new install. Okay, we already have Brunton Binoculars. So the next one we want is Buroscopes. We're going to go ahead and grab a copy of this. Okay. And Buroscopes.info. You see this one says Buroscopes.bruntonbinoculars.info. That's because Brunton Binoculars is the root directory in this account. This is the main URL that this account's built around. So you're going to have some subdirectories, which is what this is, and then here's your add-on domain. Okay, so put in your add-on domain. Once again, we're going to skip the first box, and then we need the administrator's name. And remember, I told you all you're going to have to do is click in there. There it is. Left click. There you go. You don't even have to type it. The keyword's in there for you. Scroll down. Admin nickname. Just left click the box, and it shows up for you. And now your email is going to be different. Okay, so this is always going to be there. So you highlight it, click backspace, click in there, and there's the email that you wanted. And knowing that we have a copy of the URL we're working with already on the clipboard, we just paste that in there, install WordPress, finish installation, bookmark, make sure you get it into the right folder, and save. Back to WordPress overview. Let's go back to the next one. Okay, our next URL is camerabinoculars.info. Okay, so new installation. Looking for camera binoculars. Camera binoculars. Okay, it's not here. What happened? Well, obviously I made a mistake going down my list. So I'm going to have to go back, create an add-on domain for camerabinoculars.info.